Find or read reviews that people are talking about OneBlis 70-inch electric fireplace TV stand. Why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Because it has the following features. High-performance electric fireplace experience. This Mantel-style electric fireplace features a 23-inch interior heater with 12 customizable LED backlight colors and 3 adjustable flame brightness levels. Easily control warmth, ambience, and timing via the included remote set temperatures between 65 degrees Fahrenheit and 95 degrees Fahrenheit and program operation for up to 8 hours. An integrated overheating protection device ensures safe, worry-free use. Generous storage and smart organization. Designed with 7 open cubbies, this TV stand fireplace provides ample room for media consoles, gaming devices, DVDs, and accessories. Integrated cable holes keep wires neatly managed. Plus, the 2-side cubby includes ambient LED lighting to elegantly highlight displayed items. Durable and weight-bearing construction. Crafted from premium PB and MDF materials, this fireplace mantle is built for long-term stability. The sturdy top supports up to 132 pounds, ideal for potted plants, books, or decor, while each shelf holds 33 pounds, accommodating everyday storage needs without compromising strength. Elegant focal point for your home. With its sleek, contemporary silhouette and artisan-crafted relief sculpture, this electric fireplace adds refined character to any room. It seamlessly blends functional heating with sophisticated design, creating a striking visual centerpiece that enhances your living space. Hassle-free setup in 2 shipments. Assembly is straightforward thanks to clearly numbered parts and detailed step-by-step instructions. The product arrives in 2 separate packages, mantle and fireplace insert, for easier handling and a streamlined installation process. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.